Hello friend, welcome. Look, this is the main Alpha male cat in our family. He is a Leo. He just come in home after 3 days. He wandering from house up to 1.5 kilometer long. I also witnesses about him. I saw him in a distance of 1 kilometer from house, and I believe that pet cats have their territory in around 1.5 kilometer, and that's true. He's a 3 year old. Look how beautifully he is. Crash, lots of scratch on his face. You can see he is a lot more aggressive and active so much. 3 year old alpha male cat. He is a very loyal guy. Sometimes I also fear to handle him because his aggression. No one can stay in home when he is in. Yes, of course, he is like a king. She is a kitty, so not any problem. But no any male cat in house because of his presence. So meet our main male cat. He is a Leo, alpha male cat.